Hi, boys and girls. So this week our shared reading is a little bit different because it's coming from our Time for Kids books. So the one that we're going to focus on today is called Many Kinds of Money. Because our focus these last 2 weeks have been all about money, I wanted to continue that focus until next week, okay? So it's called Many Kinds of Money. So this genre for the book is nonfiction. And we know that nonfiction text, typically the author wants us to learn about a topic. Here, we're going to learn about the many kinds of money, okay? And it's by Jerry Cipriano. People use money every day. We use money to pay for goods such as food. So we're looking at our pictures, and our picture's showing you that the little girl is using her money to pay for goods, just like food. We also use money to pay for services, such as a bus ride. So remember, we have been talking about those goods and services. So the good that she purchased here was food, and here the service that she's purchasing is a bus ride. The first money was easy to carry. Some money was good enough to eat. So that's the word enough, which we know is a sight word. It sounds like there's a F at the end, but there's no F. It's O-U-G-H, enough. So they're telling us information saying that the first money was very easy to carry, and it was even good enough to eat. So let's look at all the labels that they have given us in this book. One of them is cocoa beans. These right here are cocoa beans. Do you guys know what they use cocoa beans for? Chocolate, cowrie shells, tea leaves, almonds, and a Native American wampum. So these are all examples of some of the money that they use in early times. And remember, we did discuss about that whole bartering thing, when people would barter, which would mean trade. The heaviest money ever used was made of stone. Greek obelisks were the smallest money. These coins were smaller than apple seeds. Long ago, Greeks and Romans made coins from gold and other metals. The Chinese were the first to make paper money. Soon, coins and paper money were used all over the world. So in different parts of the world, they did use different things. So this was what the early Greek coins look like. So that's what they would use in Greece. And these were the Greek obelisks. Here is an example of the Yap money stone that they would use. And we just learned that the Chinese were the first ones to come up with paper money. So this is Chinese paper money. What kind of money do you see on this page? What could you buy with the money you see? So we've been learning all about money. So let's look at the picture to see what money we see. Do you guys remember what this is called? That's a dollar bill. Here we have 2 pennies. This one is a nickel, a dime, and some quarters.